quite a nice picture as well.
Crop me out. So we are in Miami with Carolina.
Hi!
So yeah, day 1 out of 10 days. It's been a good trip so far. I did lose my purse. I have no cash on me. All my cards, all my IDs, everything's gone. I only have my passport. But other than that, it's been great. And the weather's nice. So yay! Alright, I'll see you in a bit.
Bye!
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do.
Hello. We are in the water. I'm trusting myself, which is very stupid. There's Carolina. Hey. Yeah, if my phone drops and you don't get footage, then you know why. But yeah. Yeah. But yeah. So yeah, it's really nice. The water's super warm, which is amazing. But yeah, alright. Ciao.
I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I do, like
So I'm going to try and vlog this way and hopefully you can see me and it looks nice. But yeah, it's night time, we're at the beach. We're meant to catch the sunset, but the restaurant we were at took 50 minutes.
And the food was shit.
To bring our food, it was so long.
Don't eat Spanish food in Miami.
It's not great. Well, she had paella, I had tapas. This one. But it was alright. Even though it took 10 years. But we missed the sunset, so now we're just here at night checking it out. We're gonna catch the sunset tomorrow, hopefully. Okay, bye.
and relax. From here on, you don't have to say a word. So just let go and don't hold back. I've got you, welcome you into my world. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right.
So we just came back from Sugar Factory and we are so full. Literally my stomach is so tight. That drink, we couldn't finish it. So yeah, if you're going to go there, I think you should because it's really nice. But don't eat for like 2 days, then you can go there.
And share the cocktail.
And share the cocktails, yes. Because we had one each and that was a bad idea. But yeah, now we're just trying to get rid of the bloatness and we're just walking about. Okay.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so walking there, we didn't reach that far. We're so tired. So we're just sitting down on the grass. Yeah.